good so far.
Well, this is good for me. I'm gonna save it. Oh shit.
All we have to do is just take the big objects out and vacuum.
Yeah.
And then maybe wipe down your dashboard with a wet wipe. But I mean, it looks good. I'm proud of you. You kept it decent.
Well, I used to clean it, yeah. But when I clean it, pack it up.
Yeah, it does get dirty quick.
Get coffee, get drink.
You should get a pickup truck, Dada.
Would be nice.
Pickup trucks are a little better.
I always kept the pickup trucks burn more gas.
Get a Toyota Tacoma.
Yeah.
I think that's a truck, right? A Tacoma?
Yeah.
That would work for you, no?
Broom, no?
Oh, that's the broom. This is the one I was trying to find, and it was in your car.
Oh, shit.
What were you doing with it?
I don't know.
If it was in
I
your,
don't remember.
it was here the whole time. What's the use for that wax can? You have a can of wax.
I don't know, really. I thought it was yours.
No. I never knew why you had it. It's wax with
Yeah,
screws.
bullshit.
I
Throw it away
I
now.
don't even know where that came from.
Something non-recycled.
How about
We don't do nothing with trunk.
how about those unions? You using those unions?
Yeah, and you.
Good. Thank God we have a vacuum. We had to buy one recently.
Seems better days. How many rooms I got? 2.
Damn.
Hey,
Yeah.
maybe we should pull the net.
Yeah, we'll do that when the car's over there.
Oh yeah?
We gotta move the car closer so we can vacuum. The line isn't long enough.
No. Can you move it?
Huh?
Can you move it?
Can I move it? Where's the keys? That's all the junk that we had to get out. I got the all-purpose cleaner.
Yeah.
All-purpose cleaner.
All the windows?
For the dash and everything.
Alright.
A few minutes later.
Wash the car, we're good.
Yeah, just 2 more. That's it. This is small. That's
Yeah.
easy. Yeah, see that?
How do you feel to have a brand new clean car?
Oh yeah, I love it.
Love it?
I hope I get some instructor.
Yeah.
You know, the young Polish girl.
You trying to get
I'm old, but I got a little desire too, you know?
trying to get fresh with the Polish woman?
Yeah.
Oh shit. That's a big one.
Francis. Hey, my back kind of hurts.
Yeah.
Tired, huh?
Yeah, man, it's hot. You hot?
No.
You're sweating, I
I'm a
can
little
see.
warm here, but
I'm hot. I have a t-shirt on and I'm hot.
never on my body. See where they drive? Your mother or this asshole. Hopefully they'll break it, you know?
Oh, the pipe?
Yeah.
You can see the end of it over there.
Yeah.
It sticks out.
It was covered with rain.
Yeah.
Exposed.
We have the rest of this crap to pack up.
Look where I parked. Look what he did damage. Son of a bitch.
Yeah, this is all your car right here. All of this mud destruction.
Well,
There's a tarp. Don't you see? Don't you see?
the cloth or the plastic?
The blue.
Oh, that's big enough.
They used to cover the old lawnmower.
help. Oh boy.
You're welcome.
I would have never done it all.
Why do you always say that every time we do something?
Because I get tired, then I take 2 hours to sit down, forget to get up.
Yeah.
I'll take my chair and sit on it, man.
Go ahead.
Yeah, man. And for such a short time, you didn't need nothing.
No, I had eggs earlier. I had some cereal.
Oh no, I'm not aware of anything now. He or she comes to give me a test.
You're gonna be riding clean.
Yeah.
Not riding dirty, riding clean.
Now I'm sweating.
I'm sweating too. I have a t-shirt on. The sun is hot, but the shade is cold.
Yeah. No, all I'm waiting is to produce. Let's see if I don't know if I did the right thing.
For what?
Because I chopped its ears off, man. Except cherry, cut one big branch was sticking out. Peach didn't much tree. Half of it disappeared.
My question is, we're not doing the garden over there this year again, huh?
No, man, no.
I think we should do it, but by the white car. In that area. I definitely want to do a garden this year.
I agree with you. That's the best area for planting because that ground's tired, drained.
How many years have you been using it for?
I don't know, 2 years in a row.
That's not good.
Yeah. See that little tree? I'm gonna have some surprise for you.
Why?
I hope this summer will be first produce. I hope.
What? Is that blueberries on that one?
Berry.
What
Not
kind?
blueberry. Very sweet. They're white and red and juicy. Hey, Nusret gave me a friend of mine. Baby, give me some berries. I almost ate them all. I had 2 berries left. I said, wait a minute, what the fuck? I took them, he told me to put them in a glass of water for a week. Then rub them. Dump the water aside, but hold the seeds. Then fill it up again. Just shake the glass, shake it, and drain the water. You got shit. 2 little berries. I had 12 of them. 12 trees. Honest to God. They came out right away. Boom. You know what I like about it? And how I can tell? You pull out one little root. It's gold, like a gold color, eh?
Yeah.
Honest to God. I'm goofy anyway.
Yeah, we know that.
But I was late. When I went to the old country, I don't know what made me say 2 weeks. Bullshit. We kept rushing and rushing. I saw the place in my house. There was no house. I said, where's my house? He said, you're standing there. And for once, I had 2 things to make sure I see them. There's on the bottom of the village, we have a river on one side, river on the other. We have plenty of. Now, I don't think they have pumps to water.
Yeah.
Here, I got a pump. It's a gas operated.
Why do I get so tired so fast?
Fucking what an old bag. If you didn't have them rusts, I got a new car. That's okay. I have rusts too.